Researchers at Columbia University have identified stem cells in adult mice that play a crucial role in maintaining healthy cartilage in joints and can lead to osteoarthritis when these cells are lost due to aging or injury. The study, published in Nature Communications, suggests that preventing the loss of these cells or introducing replacement cells could be a potential therapeutic approach to prevent osteoarthritis. The researchers discovered that a protein called Gremlin 1 marked these essential stem cells and that injuries or aging could deplete them, leading to severe arthritis. The study also found that injecting a growth factor called FGF18 could rejuvenate these cells and protect mice from osteoarthritis. The findings open new possibilities for therapies targeting the preservation or replacement of these crucial stem cells.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.